addition to the family. Hi. I ordered the Princess Leia limited edition rubber duck from you guys, but my package came and it's the wrong duck. I already have this duck. Please will you rectify this problem and send me my Princess Leia limited edition rubber duck. What do you mean sold out? Do you expect me to believe that? No, I don't want the Spock duck. What do you want me to do with this duck? No, I can't have two of the same. That's crazy. You can't have two of the same thing. It's creepy. Like Lindsay Lohan in Parent Trap. No, I'm not sending it back. I have to orphan a duck because you can't do your f***ing job. Thanks for nothing. Afternoon. I am really interested in a doc that I saw on your website. Hello. This is Peter. You down? You don't have it? Hello. Hello. My name is George Lucas. I've moved to England. Hello. Can I speak to your manager? Like, are you? Okay. I'm trying to get for my very sick niece. Hello? Hello? Hi, I'm phoning from the Free State. And I'm really interested in your ducks, for my ducks. Hello, I'm phoning. Sorry? No, I've never phoned before. No, it's not me. Why can't you just give it to me?